for better or worse, the phablet category is no longer the exclusive domain of Android, as Nokia has made a noteworthy entry into the space. The 6-inch Lumia 1320 is the second and less impressive of the company's two new phablets, as it's strictly a mid-range device. The 1320 actually serves to pretty much close what is perhaps that last gap in the Finnish company's product line, as it now has devices across all parts of both the size and price spectrum. So how does this $330 odd phablet monstrosity fare outside the lab? Let's find out. In the box: wall charger, microSD to USB cable, earphones. Under the massive hood of the Lumia 1320, we're treated to a 1.7 GHz, dual-core Snapdragon 400 processor by Qualcomm. Complemented with 1 GB of RAM, the 1320's UI runs pretty smoothly for the most part, but we still wish some apps had less of a wait time attached when starting up. Unfortunately, this type of configuration is showing its age, and even medium-heavy games like Minion Rush run with random spikes in frame rate, though they're far from unplayable. So, to put this plainly, if you're a heavy gamer, the Lumia 1320 may not be the best choice out there, but it's adequate and should prove capable enough in great many scenarios. The 1320 is also a little short on internal storage, as it has to make do with just 8 GB. Fortunately, a microSD card slot is available underneath the removable back shell, right below the slot for the SIM card.